Hi everybody, Mr. Beeman here, your math teacher. Going to show you how to do your group collaboration project. We're at the end of Unit 4. We're going to do a review tomorrow. So today I would like you to work on a Kahoot. Now we played Kahoot as a class, usually quizzes that I've made, but this time you guys are going to make a quiz and we're going to play your quiz tomorrow for Unit 4 test review. So I'd like to go over how to actually make a Kahoot quiz. So if you go to your Schoology collaborative project, it's going to be in Unit 4 module. If you go down to the bottom, there should be a little black folder that says Group Collaborative Project. What I'd like you to do is click on it and then click on where it says Group Collaborative Project. Basically, your group is going to work together to make a 5-question quiz on Kahoot. So I'm going to kind of give you a run through on how to get into Kahoot and how to make a quiz. So if you look right down, it's going to tell you each group will construct a 5-question Kahoot quiz based on a math skill. Now, if you look, Group 1, you're going to be doing rounding. Group 2, you're going to do expanded form. Group 3 is going to do questions on estimation. Group 4, you're going to do 2-digit subtraction. Group 5, you're going to do 2-digit addition. No 3-digit because Kahoot's time, so it'd take probably too long to do those. Group 6, you're going to do place value. So if you need to come up with some ideas on how to make questions, there's plenty in your math expressions book. I believe Group 1 rounding is in Unit 4-1. Expanded form Group 2 is in 4-2 and 3. Estimation is in 4-4. 2-digit subtraction, I believe, is in 4-7 and 8. 2-digit additions in 4-5, and place value is kind of throughout. So if you need any ideas on how to actually make questions, you can look back at your math book and maybe copy some or pick some that you like. So let's get into Kahoot and show you how to actually use Kahoot. So it says directions. Watch my screencast, what you're doing right now. And then it says click here to log into Kahoot. So you're going to click on the here button, and then boop, Kahoot's going to pop up. Now, you're not going to sign up. I've already signed up our class for an account. So you're just going to hit login. So we're going to hit login. And our login is Forest Oak 212, our room number. And your password is my last name, Beaman. Then you're going to click sign in. So once you're in, you're going to see a bunch of different things. Don't worry about any of this. What you're going to go to is where it says New K. That's New Kahoot, meaning new quiz. So click on New K. There's a couple options, but we're going to stick with making a quiz. We're going to make a 5-question quiz. There's jumbo, but that's kind of new, and maybe we'll do that some other time. So you're going to click on the little question mark for quiz. Title. So let's say I'm going to do something different. I'll do multiplication. I'll do a multiplication quiz. Multiplication quiz. Description. Solve the multiplication problems. Visible, you're going to click on everyone. Audience, just say school. All right. And then we're going to say, okay, go. We're going to go make our quiz. Maybe later. Game creator. So we're going to add a question. You're going to click the little purple plus. All right, here we go. Question 1. So I'm going to keep it pretty simple. Let's make the time limit 30. Well, actually, I think everybody should click 30 seconds for time limit. So we'll do 30. So I'm going to do a multiplication problem. So I'm going to say something like 3 times 4. I'll make sure it looks right. Don't forget your equals. And then I need to go ahead and write my answers. Now, This is going to be multiple choice. Kahoot's multiple choice. So you got to put down 4 answers. 3 are going to be wrong. 1 is going to be right. So let's say 3 times 4. We'll say it's 10, which is wrong. Answer 2, we'll say it's 12, which is correct. So I'm going to put a check next to that one because it's actually the right answer. We'll say 15, which is a wrong answer. We'll say 20, which is a wrong answer. So now we know that we have to make sure that the correct answer is checked. That's very important. Don't worry about media or anything right there. Then we're going to hit next. Now we need 5 questions. 5 questions. So we're going to add another question. This time I'm going to make it a little harder. So instead of 3 times 4, let's do a harder one. Let's do 4 times 6 equals. Now you notice time limit. Let's keep it at 30. We want points, and then we got to come up with 4 different answers. 1 right, 3 wrong. So I'm going to say 20, which is wrong. I'm going to click over on answer 2. I'm going to say 30, which is wrong. Right here, you can't see it, but I'm going to type 25, which is wrong. And then my last one I'm going to make right. So I'm going to say it's 24, which is the correct answer. I'm going to put a check here. I'm going to click next. And then you would do that 3 more times, 5 questions. When you're finished, you're going to hit save. And then if you want, you can hit share it. Actually, you don't really need to do that because we're going to do it tomorrow. But just make sure it's in our account. When you're done, you're going to click I'm done. And then there should be your quiz in our account. And then tomorrow, we're going to set it up. You guys can run the quiz, and that'll help us review for Unit 4. So everybody, good luck. Make sure that you guys are working together. Each person should make at least 1 question. So each group member should have at least 1 question they came up with. If there's extra questions, if there's only 3 or 4 in your group, then you guys can kind of work together on the last 2 or 3 questions if you need to. When you're done, we're going to review tomorrow and see how you did. Good luck.